are naturally soothing and gentle, which makes them ideal for sensitive or dry skin. They help calm irritation and support the skin barrier without being too harsh. Using oat milk adds extra hydration and gives the mask a soft, creamy texture. I'm using an unsweetened oat milk from Quebec, which keeps the recipe local, vegan, and cruelty-free. After applying the mask, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it feels mostly dry. Then rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Try to avoid rubbing, especially if you have sensitive skin. After any face mask, it's important to apply a moisturizer to help seal in hydration. Moisturizer and sunscreen during the day are two of the most important steps in any skincare routine. To stay consistent with the oat theme, I'm using the Burrito Oat Gel Cream. It's lightweight, soothing, and works well for sensitive skin. If you enjoyed this simple DIY oat mask, feel free to subscribe for more affordable vegan skincare recipes. You can also try this at home and let me know in the comments how it worked for you.